gulpi mag-break ga.
We're going to mountain now.
Going to Malik Dam.
Going to Malik.
Malik Dam.
Malik Dam.
Mano diguro, malamig-lamig diguro, yes sis.
Here's the road. And you can see some mountains there. There's mountains. We're here in Kampot.
Dito kita sa babaw.
Green trees. And a big mountain.
Refreshing.
There's a mountain over there. There's lots of trees. And we're going to Malik Dam.
That mountain, you can see wild
There's a lot of wildlife on top of that mountain. And there's a lot of sometimes dangerous plants around there. Those white plants too.
Ang bag mo kada.
Yep.
Where kami nalilitan. Grabe si Su. Ang tawa ko si Manay. Anak ng tiyatay niya. Yung nga, ano ba short ako mo? Ninitan ko.
We're going to the mountain.
Grabe ka magpasungaw.
Balas na ito, bastante ka lang yung magbintos. Diba, Nay, no?
Look at those mountains.
Balas mo tayo, bastante
Look
lang yung
mountains.
Look at that.
There's mountains.
Houses also.
Sa bagay.
38.
Look at those houses.
888.
May mountain, no?
They're mountains.
This is the real mountain, boy.
This is real. They're real mountains.
No? Bakit na mo din eh? Ako wala. No, it's not real.
It's real. Look at those. I don't want to see mountains.
We're going up there, yes.
Yeah.
One thing go to
Nice
mountains.
place. We're going up. We're going up to the top.
We're going up.
Do you know what's behind of that mountain?
What?
You can see a lot. Wide field and wide town.
There's a town behind
There's a
the
town
mountain.
behind that mountain. It's called Malik Dam.
Oh, so we're going behind.
Yeah. Some people they say that there are lots of crocodiles in the dam.
Huh? Crocodiles. Why is-
No, it's true.
Don't sing oi oi oi.
Also, huli pa.
Elephants.
Oh, this is bird, oh, bird's net.
What do you mean buds?
Bird's house.
Bird's houses.
They produce nest.
Ooh,
They use
mountains. Mountains. They look like. They look like.
It's a good place.
Oh, look at that beautiful tree.
It's called fire tree.
Why is it called fire?
May mga resort pa ba?
Fire tree.
Gabi may mo pag ginagalagal sa Cambodia. Mayari pa natin sila sis dito pag nagit sa
There's resort.
Kiriram din na dapat sis. Lahat nila sis. Ang kiriram, ang ginatawag nila.
Look at those planties.
Sa Camposa, sa Sialong Bill sis.
Now we're gonna go up
Ano na
to
da?
the top.
Nature. Kakahuyan. Pag may force mga gamay. Diradas lang ng agad. Pero nakapunong buko ka na yan sis.
Wow.
Sa dina, nakabuko mountain ka na no? Oo, dira kami. Dira ko na dra sa Delmont.
Malik.
puro si Damon. May puro nakita niya sa tuwa na pala.
Lake.
Nadako-dako.
We're going to Malik. Oh, it's dusty there.
Hindi, kami lang nga duwa. Di Ma'am Joanna sa
Ay, hindi pa
sakyan.
na sementado.
Still
Not yet cemented.
Kaya gusto yung galin.
There's not yet cement?
Ano kami, pass out.
The last time we went here,
5.
Pero sarap pa kami sa
Wow, look at
till
those.
now,
Wow, that's
still rough.
beautiful yan, sis.
Looks like snow.
It's free powder.
Ah, there's smoke everywhere.
naligan ko sa pagkatuta bato-bato subong may ginta pa ba
It's foggy
Sis, mga palagaw, mati eh. Tapos tungkod na si Kimberly kag mga
and
palagaw.
foggy.
Mayo.
This is foggy.
Si Alexis lang na.
Yay!
Wala nga malitang, wala ka.
There's fog
Tapos
everywhere.
lang si Teacher Timba lang.
Hee.
Lalagaw. Ay, agito.
Oh, so many plants.
Siya magpangalan. Yara na sa mga oo, may ara na sa dito ko sa man sa bungchok nga. Ligat ko sa tita ko sa sis.
They look like snow. Wow. Beautiful trees, except that it's so dusty
Naguli na sa kuno.
and foggy.
Nagpabulong siya.
It's too foggy.
Ay subong okay na nasa pero gabalik-balik na sa Bishuya. Pabulong ng Bishuya muna.
What's this?
Hagi kami na ako pa lang ko sa Western na sila siya sa una naka-assign sa isang namin siya mag-immersis kaysa oo kabalo sa kanya sa nag-coffee you already played there
It's too foggy.
Nabuot siya sis no